Good morning and welcome to the Tire Technology Fair 2020. I'm Bart with Emerson, and we're very excited to work with our colleagues in the tire industry around the topics of reliability, sustainability, and productivity. Within Emerson, we have a large variety of devices and systems that assist our customers in those areas. We start with as simple as the smart devices that monitor directly at the point of use the consumption and conditions of our fluid control and pneumatic components and give the operator immediate insight as to the condition of their operations. We're able to take that a step further and integrate that into a complete solution where we look at the overall performance of the steam generation and curing process in the tire industry with a true focus on understanding the potential points of waste of the steam and the overall performance and reliability of the valves. We also focus on the sustainability of the manufacturing process with giving insights about the consumption of air and steam, both at a local level as well as a global level to our customers. And through our ultrasonic rubber cutting technology, we're able to manage the tire building operation with the least amount of energy. All these are the solutions that Emerson brings to the tire industry, and we're very proud to be a part of the industry and have the opportunity to work with you on solutions.